Hey guys, so after much consideration, okay, after listening to today's test run, um, do I feel like the motorcycle is so loud? No, not really. The only thing that was concerning to me is like the sound is um, more treble than bass. Okay, so I figured that I would like to hear the sound if I put back the original DB killer from Kaufman's and see how that's gonna sound. If this is gonna make it a little bit bassier, if that makes sense. But I just want to try it. Something I can take off anyway, so I just want to hear it. So the first thing I did is I did a test on the sound, and I'm peaking at 106 decibels, which is still way under the limit. Okay, so let me try what this thing has when I put the DB killer on. Okay. All right, guys. This is actually going to be a very simple process. Okay, um, let's get to it. So with your long nose pliers, okay, um, this I would really suggest that you guys wrap up this part with a masking tape, okay? Not all the way to the tip, okay? Because the tip is important because the tip has these grooves that will catch the ring lock. But this part right here, this is what's going to scratch the lip. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Just run the tape there, um, and then wrap the other side as well. Okay, just keep on wrapping that. Okay, and then end it right there, so that the lip of the or any part of the slip-on doesn't get scratched up or anything. Okay, so that's good right there. Okay, so it's good enough. Okay, so once that's done, you ready your setup of the DB killer. Okay, the DB killer has these parts that goes with it. The O-ring, okay, that goes in first. Okay, that's gonna seal it. Okay, and then after you put that in, you put the DB killer itself together with the spacer. Okay. Okay, so when that's in there, it should sit there nicely. Okay, and then the last part that goes in is the lock ring. Okay, obviously you want your lock ring to be here on the shallow part of the tip. Okay, that's where you want that to go. Okay, but you have to be pressing that already to go in. Okay, so you just clamp the tips right there. There's already a side here that I scratched up when I took it off last time, so that's where I'm gonna go again. Okay, so see that? Just enough, not sticking out or anything. All right. As you go in, you're gonna be pressing this. All right, so let's test it out. So it doesn't sound good to me. Okay, did it make it bassier? Yeah, I would say it did, but it didn't sound good. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off. And to take it off is just another process of just clipping it back and then pinching it to pull it out. Okay. That sounds much better.